I have a 2020 Polaris RZR 1000. We're going to replace the belt here. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is remove these bolts here that are around the case. There's going to be a bolt right here. You can see that this downpipe is kind of in the way. I'm just using this elbow and extension. There's going to be a bolt right here, which is back behind this shock. I'm going to use a very long extender here. There's going to be a bolt right up underneath here. In this particular model, there were 8 bolts that I removed. This is the tool that I'm going to use to get the belt off here. Simply, we're just going to insert that right down here. If you look down at the bottom, you can see that the belt is extremely loose. Now we're just going to start working that belt off. I'm simply going to start right here at the bottom, push down, and then kind of pull out. And when you rotate that, you should see that belt start to come out. There we go. Now to get this top part of the belt out of there, there's actually a lip right back here that was keeping this belt from coming out. So you just have to push up on this housing a little bit. You'll be able to get that guy out. All right, this is the belt that I'm going to use here. Now when you install the new belt, you want to make sure that all of the wording, as you can see here where it says torque and then the part number, is going from left to right. So we're going to install the belt in this direction here. Now when you're installing the belt, sometimes these guys here are going to fall back in. You want to re-spread those out. Do that here, down at the bottom. Just want to keep rotating this. There it goes. Everything snapped right in. We're going to rotate this a few times. And you should start to feel it get a little bit tighter. And then these guys are going to pull themselves in. We'll reverse the process on putting the cover back on. All right, to get the cover back on, what you want to do is you want to insert it vertically up and down like this. You're going to slide that down, and you'll just kind of come around up underneath here at an angle. It should just slide right back in. Right there like that. When you're putting the cover back on, double check and make sure that this lip right here fits all the way around onto that gasket and that you don't have any gaps right here. Everything's running good. Thanks for watching.